going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to make a fried rice. I call this poor man's fried rice. I'll do 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. Throw in, this is a half a bell pepper, diced small. Why do I call it poor man's fried rice? Is I have very minimal amount of ingredient. I've got my rice here. This is jasmine rice, which I pre-cooked. Now generally all fried rice is using day-old rice. So this would be rice that was cooked basically yesterday, although I did this today. A little different method. I refrigerated this for a couple hours, and so this is done earlier today. In here I've got 2 eggs, got a half a cup of chopped green onion, and in this bowl here I've got 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, and I've got 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. In my rice I already had onion in here. Did a yellow onion diced, which was about a quarter of a yellow onion, and I did 1 large clove of garlic, and I sauteed that rice in my pressure cooker with some sesame oil and olive oil. I usually use like a kind of equal parts, so 2 teaspoons, but 1 teaspoon is olive oil, 1 teaspoon is sesame oil. Alright, saute your peppers off here. You can just saute them until they get tender. Alright, go ahead and add your egg. Guess what I'm using? I'm using my Thai meringue pan. Yes, sir. Look at that. It's looking nice. Let's go ahead and add that rice. By the way, when you buy your Thai meringue pan, you get this really nice little spatula with that. Okay, let's go ahead and add our soy and our fish sauce. Smells so good. Just mix it really well. You can add more soy if you think you need more. Let's give it a taste. That's what we need to do. Very good. But I'm going to add more soy. A little light on that. Add another 4 teaspoons. A little light on flavor. I mean, you can add it later too. Okay, we're going to turn the temp down to low, hit the cover on top for a few minutes here, let it just basically steam itself, and just add the green onion, and we're good to go. Alright, that's it. Poor man's fried rice. Alright, I got the temperature cranked way up on high, just to get this really nice heat to this pan. Get the top nice and hot, you can feel it. Get that rice really hot inside. Oh, look at that, huh? That looks really good. See that? Alright, we're going to go ahead and add those green onions to it. There you go. There you go. Fried rice is ready. I'll show you what everything looks like when I plate it up. And that pretty much concludes this video. Please subscribe if you like the videos. Hit that like button. Again, subscriptions give you a heads up when a video is released by me. If you have any comments or questions or anything about the meal that I produced, or what this pan's all about, or what the rice is all about, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. Otherwise, you guys have a fantastic day. Chef Leroy, and out. Oh, and by the way, this pan is so versatile. I just did my fried rice in here, and guess what? Turn my hand here so you can see what's going on. Look at that. Now we're doing dumplings and pot stickers. So these are shrimp dumplings, and these are kimchi pot stickers. So just you put that little basket on top, steamer basket right on the top. I'll show you what that looks like. You pick it right up. Water's in the bottom. Got a Teflon sheet inside. The Thai meringue pan is amazing. I love it. Let's kick that up a little hotter. Get that water boiling underneath to steam it up. And that's the conclusion of that. So we're going to serve that with that poor man's fried rice. Should be fantastic. I'll show you a plate what it looks like when it's done.